Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. We got a quick little video today. Today's video, we're going to be removing this terrible looking, I don't even know, creation that's hanging off the back of my Hypermotard. We're going to replace it with, of course, the New Rage Cycles tail tidy. So basically, we're going to be removing this right here and putting on the New Rage Cycles. And then we're gonna mount our our license plate here. But we are gonna be using a GoPro mount. So hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, then I probably won't put the video out. But stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm not gonna record like the installation because I don't have like a stand to hold the phone or whatever. So I'm just gonna do it and then come back with the finished results, all right? So stay tuned. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick what you're gonna be looking at. So you're gonna basically unscrew that little panel right there. Once you unscrew the panel, you're going to unscrew these 3 bolts here, okay? After you do that, this whole harness is gonna drop down. Then you basically look at these 3 wires here. The one in the middle is for the license plate. I'm not gonna be using this one. I'm not gonna reuse it, I should say. And then of course you have the right turn signal and the left turn signal, which is they're labeled. So, okay, the white one is for license plate, and then the black ones are for turn signals. They're labeled. So, like I said, I'm not gonna be running the license plate light, so I'm not gonna be reusing this white one. But basically you just unplug it. The NRC kit is, you just literally just plug it right back in there. So it's very easy to do. Nothing hard about it at all. I'm gonna go ahead and plug everything up, tuck my wires back in, and then show you guys the finished product. And then we can move on to how I'm gonna mount my license plate, all right? All right, guys, so like I said, it's plug and play. Okay, you just plug these 2 things in here that come with the NRC tail tidy. Like I said, I'm not running the license plate light. So I'm just gonna tuck my wires up in here, real neat. And then I'm going to put this bad boy, well, it's supposed to go like this actually, hold up. It's supposed to go like this, something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up like that. And of course we gotta test out the lights to make sure that they're working. Yep, they're both working, so that's a good sign. So we're gonna go ahead and continue with the install. And then I'll hit you guys with the license plate, which should be the cooler part, because we're gonna be doing a GoPro mount. A great idea that I got from a fellow YouTuber. I think his name is Moto Papa. He's the first person I saw do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and run that style. And yeah, it should look good. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we are all done. Now, as you can see, this GoPro crap was not working for me. So what I did was basically, I put the NRC tail tidy on there, and then I just freaking put the adhesive double-sided tape on the license plate and stuck it right in the back of the bike. If it falls down, then we just gotta get a new license plate. But this is the setup that I'm gonna run, man, because the GoPros were just, they weren't mounting how I wanted them to mount. And then as you can see, I had to bend my license plate because it wouldn't even fit in between the pipes. So this is the setup. I love it, man. I love how neat the back of the bike looks now without that freaking huge, whatever that is. But yeah, this is the setup. If you guys want to follow it, go ahead. If you don't, I understand. It's like a makeshift setup. But hey, I like it. This time I'm gonna rock it for the next riding season. Maybe down the line, if I find a better setup, I'll change it. I can just pull the license plate off. But yeah, finally doing some mods to the bike, boys and girls. And of course, the winter season is coming up, so I'm gonna be ordering a bunch of new mods because winter season is, of course, mod season. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm about to go for a ride because I have to put on, I think, 100 more miles on the bike before tomorrow. Let's see. Yep, 5:44. So I gotta put on some miles on the bike before I bring it in for service tomorrow. And yeah, Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you were entertained, or a comment if you're concerned. And keep on dreaming bigger. Peace.